These literally are 80% off. 80 freaking percent off. Can you believe it? Holy cow. Holy cow, man. Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Let's go Niners. Let's go to the Santa Clara clearance store. All right, they opened 7 minutes ago. Probably the worst time to come because people stand in line out front here. But I already see dope stuff. Look at this. Dude got Lakers gear right here. $25. These are triple XL though. Do they have any smaller sizes? Maybe not. Maybe not. Nah, triple XL only. And they do got LeBron jerseys right here. He did switch his number from 6 to 23. $40 for these bad boys. And they got sizes. They got sizes large. They got smalls. All the mediums are gone, but they at least have one large right here that someone might have missed out on. Okay. All right, they got tech fleece. They got all kinds of interesting stuff. But yeah, we're gonna check out the sneakers and we'll move back onto apparel. They got GT Jump 2s going for $80. That's a pretty nice colorway actually. Oh, those are first gens, my bad. And then look, Jordan Retro 2s. $120 for those. That's not necessarily the best colorway though. LeBron 2s, I forgot to say 10. I'm in the set size 10.5. Do got LeBron 2s right here, $100. Got a couple of these. They got the Jordan 37. These are $100 for the camo version right there. Got some older LeBrons right here. The LeBron 19 lows down to what, $70. Air Max 95. These bad boys down to $80. Pretty interesting colorway. Penny 2s right here. A weird colorway. Still $170. Wow. Airmore Tempos. This is my size. Not one of the colorways I'm looking for. $80 for these bad boys right here. So size 10.5 had one aisle. Size 10, you get this side and this side. So size 10, pretty lucky. Not seeing too many retros. I'm wondering if that's because you can't return stuff here anymore. Yeah, you got trainers going for $60. Zoom Freak 5s, which look pretty freaking decent. $60 for these bad boys. Cosmic Unity, these are the second generation, go for $70. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, which are hella comfy, $70. Zoom Freak 4s, $60 for those. Blazers go for $40. Air Max 97s. These are way pink, go for $80. Got some Comforts right here in an interesting colorway, $70 for these. So it's not just based on style, that type of stuff. It's based on just demand. Like there's not much of a demand on these. So $70. We don't see any other Jordans go for that cheap. Is that midsole? What the hell is like a mint colorway or something? But yeah, $70, man. If you like Prestos, can grab these here. Damn, I don't know the price though. I know they're cheap. Cosmic Unity 3s down to $70. Multiple colorways of those. Yeah, so less than 10 minutes in, campers, they got all their stuff and they're gonna be chilling here for a while. That's what they do. Talking to a few people, I'm like falling asleep. Air Max 97s for $80 right here. And look at this. I've never even seen this one before. Dude got Blazer Sakai Cause collab. Look at that. Definitely did not see that coming. Wow, what's the price on these? $70 for those bad boys. I'm still in the size 10 because they got so much stuff here. Jordan 1 Low Flights, 110, what the hell? And look, Jordan Low OGs right here. Oh no, these are 9.5, I bet I'm in the 9.5. Jordan 1 Low OG Black Toes. And look at this, $110, so what, $30 off? That's not bad. Got these in plenty of sizes. Metcon 8s, the 9s are the latest itineration. $60 for those, not bad. Witness 6s, seen that in several colorways now, or several different sizes too, $50. Do got some Superfly 9s. These are size 9.5. Does have the Air More Up Tempo logo on it, which is pretty fire. These are specifically for soccer, but yeah, $40 for those. These the Gore-Tex? The Gore-Tex right here. They got these for $1.60. Got the Gore-Tex logo right there, the emblem or the whatever. But yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. $1.60. Normally 2 bills for those. All right, we're gonna switch things up. Go to some of the clothing. Do got a LeBron. Which soccer team is that? Why am I blacking on the soccer team? Liverpool? Is that Liverpool FC? But yeah, do got these bad boys right here. Haven't seen these. And yeah, these ain't bad. $30. $30 is not bad. They do got sizes. Got medium. Got XL, double XL. They got sizes here. Not bad. You got the USA hoodies right here. That's the US men's soccer team stuff right here. That's pretty dope. There's a small out front. Small, mediums are the 2 sizes that I see for those. The extra thick fleece shorts right here. These are the ones that match my hoodie, the one that I have, because they're super thick. These are super nice. $50 down to $30. So not too bad, 40% off. Do got some like cargo shorts, but the top's not really like cargo shorts. So kind of interesting. $30 for these bad boys. Original price for these are $70. Oh, and this is down to $25. Did these match the flight? No, these are Nike. But yeah, these are super nice, super like medium thickness, but just super nice quality. $30 for those fleece shorts. See the Jetman logo on these bad boys. Kind of fleece, kind of mesh, kind of interesting. $30. These normally are $80. That's a double XL though. Like, what dude's wearing short shorts like this? I know like the younger kids like the short shorts, but dang, dude, what the hell? You got your junk all hanging out. What the hell? I don't understand that, doggies. I just don't. Like, for performance basketball, I can kind of understand. But yeah, $30 for those booty cargo shorts for dudes. Got some poofy jackets right here. It's $80 normally. 2 bills. And that does have that, what's that? Primaloft insulation. That is a small right there. That's pretty nice. Got an interesting sweatshirt right here that has a collar on it. Dry fit. 100 down to 30. That's a small though. WNBA hoodies if y'all need that. Jordan sweatshirt right here, 25 for a size large. Super fluffy pullover right here, down to 30. Jacket right here, down to 30. Battle for LA Trojans hoodie right here. These bad boys go for $25. Small and medium and even large right here. Okay, and then they got a Bruin one right here. That's a medium out front. And then a large in the back. $25 for those bad boys. Jordan Diamond fleece shorts right here. These are actually really nice, but they only have small. So god dang it. Come on, man. At least help us out with the medium or something. But yeah, $20 for those. And they got these short shorts. But these are Nike and they're way shorter. Yeah, these are $20. That's your thing. Cargo shorts right here. These are an XL down to 20, normally 45. All right, shout out to the homie Otis. Shout out to the homie Hector. Talking to them for like 20 minutes. A lot of fun talking about sneakers and stuff like that. Otis, you tripping? You missed my last video. Right down the street from you, you missed my last video. All right, let's look around, see what's up with the size 11. I was telling him about the Shoe Palace deals, and he was just blown away. I'm like, dang. Yep. All right, let's look around. Yo, Adjust Forces for $60? Really? It's not like I'm like a huge fan of the colorway and stuff like that, but these are like $200 sneakers. Holy cow. And they did use really nice material. I'm just not a fan of that color. They had a better color maybe for $60. What are these? Oh, Air Force mids right here. $110. What the hell? Is that a collab or something? Yeah, maybe, yo. But yeah, $110 still too high. More of these comfort things right here, $120. More of these Adjust Forces. This is a better colorway though. At least it's a better colorway. $60 for those size 11s. Yo, what the hell? What the hell? I'm trying to think who wears a size 11. What the hell? $30? Really? What the hell? So I bought some stuff from the Nike refurbished website. I also bought some Kobe's. I hit on the Kobe's, so they're on the way home. And I really wasn't trying to buy none, but $30. $30. I am wearing slippers, but of course you gotta bring socks. When you go to a sneaker spot, you gotta bring some socks. I'm gonna have to try these out. $30. They're free. They're pretty much free, dog. Holy crap. Kind of wondering about the color. Kind of like a pinkish hue to it. $30. Would I wear it? That's the question. Like, I just buy stuff and I'm like, would I wear it? I need to start asking that a little bit more. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm thinking about it. And I am wearing George Kittle jersey. Got some Niner stuff on right now. Tech fleece that I did buy for, I think I got this jacket for like 60 bucks, something like that. Shorts. There are Jordan shorts. The Bread Jordan shorts. These are normally like 80 bucks. I thought there's a Jordan logo on the bottom. Maybe not. I don't know what the hell. Oh, there it is. But yeah, I think I grabbed like $29 at like $80 retail. So got a nice little budget outfit on. Oh, I think I got the jersey here too. Slightly big, but they will do. You can't feel the zoom as much as I thought I would. I thought I'd be able to feel the zoom because there's that huge zoom airbag on the back and the front. But can't feel it as much. I feel it a lot more in my Kobe ones, and that's interesting. Thinking about it. It does have pink in the front and then like tan right there. I'm thinking about it. $30 freaking dollars. But I was telling the homie Otis, like, I just literally have no room. I don't even have room for sneakers. You know what? It's a half size too big. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back. Half size too big, and I don't want to buy stuff just to buy stuff. Like $30, that is crazy. Size 12, Infinity Run Flyknits in a pretty crazy color, $80. Flight 95's going for $80. Ton of these bad boys right here. Comforts, $120 for those. $60 for the Prestos. Air Force One utilities right here, $130. Got mids right here, $100. These are size 11 though.
The 12.5.
So the workers putting their stuff down, and then they're all following them around. It's interesting. See how that works.
My toe hit.
I've been talking to people like the whole day, so I think I was in size. I think I was about to go to size 30. Look, 10.5. Look, 10.5. $80. I think that one is mismarked. I think that was mismarked. I thought that was worth showing you guys. I also showed you guys the stuff happening with the resale. This is just hilarious. Being here is trying to see a lot of interesting things. Do you got the SBs? Got SB Blazer mids going for $50. I am in the size 13 section finally. ADG golf right here, $160. The Rex Quandos right here. I freaking think about that movie every time they're pulling down. $100 for those. Air Max 2090s. I remember seeing these everywhere. $80 now. Mids right here. Mids for $100. iShods, those are going for $25 right there. Okay. $80 for these bad boys. These are Pegasus Trail 4s. Size 14 got Dunks right here going for $90. Mids right here going for $110. Just for, they got these in every size apparently. Vaporfly Next Percents. Do got those for $100. Size 15 things get significantly more limited. Series ES right there going for $40. Forces right here going for $50. And do got these right here. These are 18. Yeah, 18 going for $110 right there. I was just here a few minutes ago. I swear to God, these were. Now they're Kuzma jerseys. They're freaking Davis jerseys. What the hell? I swear these were all. Were these not? Am I dumb? I swear, was it just one LeBron jersey that I saw earlier? I'm tripping. All right, y'all gonna find out when I edit this. But yeah, $40. Maybe it was just a small at the very beginning. Maybe I just mislooked it. I don't know. This is Tech Fleece, right? Yeah, this is Tech Fleece, $50. But it is an extra small. Wasn't there stuff there a few minutes ago? No, I'm tripping. Constantly changing things. Okay, all that stuff's down here now. Do got some vests right here going for $50. These are size medium with ThermaFit on those. Got ACG ones. I know ACG people love the ACG stuff. These are size medium for $60. Normally go for 175. What the hell? Beijing. Oh, is this for the Beijing Olympics? I think that's what it's for. Oh yeah, Team USA ones. That's what it's for. Okay. All right. Apparently, if you spend over 125, you get a little gift. I wonder what that is. It's a gift. Oh, is that a gift wrap? Gift wrap kits? That's it. Okay. All right, guys. First time here in a while. Definitely worth a visit, dude. Definitely worth a visit. Got some interesting stuff. The pricing, you know, like damn. I wonder if I should have bought those for 30 bucks. Like just hella cheap. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Yeah, make sure you guys help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Subscribe, and yeah, visit this spot, man. Might be worth it.